this video, we'll walk you through setting up lead form extensions. Let's assume a hypothetical business for this video, Google University. This business wants to promote a few of their online courses, so we'll use lead form extensions to capture interest for these courses. Once you're logged in your Google Ads account, click on Ads and Extensions on the left-hand side, then click on Extensions. When the Extensions menu loads up, click on the plus button to create a new extension. Select Lead Form Extensions. You'll be prompted to select the campaign to apply the extension. The same extension can be used across multiple campaigns. Click on Done after selecting the right campaigns. Now you get to create your new extension. The first step here is to create the form itself. Notice that the drafted form on the right-hand side updates as you work through your form. Start off by creating your headline, business name, and description. Onto the questions you want to ask. You can select up to 10 questions. In this case, we'll select first and last name, phone number, and email. We'll also select one of the additional available questions organized by industry. So we'll select education and click on what courses are you interested in. Let's assume there are 2 courses Google University is interested in promoting: digital marketing and data analytics. Now select your privacy policy URL. The privacy policy URL should direct people to your business's privacy policy, just like when you're collecting leads via a website form. You can also select an image to fit the background of your form. Select the image, click on it to adjust the image to fit your form, click on Select, then click Save. Customize the thank you page after the submission. Here you can choose a headline, another small description, and the call to action, where you can select the landing page for the prospect user to find more information. Choose your call to action, which will be featured on the clickable button to open the form. Add text next to the call to action. In our case, we'll select Contact Us, and in the additional text, we'll type in Submit Your Interest form here. Once your extensions are live, you get to choose how you want to access these leads. They can be directly downloaded via Google Ads or integrated to your customer relationship management system via a webhook. To learn more about webhook integrations, visit this link. Make sure to click on Save once you're done creating the new lead form extension. And you're all set! You're on your way to create a frictionless experience for your prospective customers while still creating intentful connections. Remember to download the leads you receive on a daily basis and share them with your internal teams or import them to your CRM. For more step-by-step videos on Google Ads implementation and optimization, check out Google Ads tutorials. If you have any questions or for more information, please visit Google Ads Help.